Okay, I am back. My vlog, this is going to be Project Jeep. I'm doing trying to get it down there to get it aligned. And I noticed when I was working on that front end there, one of the tie rod ends was bad. So I said, I'm not taking it down there after getting the whole subframe's done, freaking new power steering rack, and what do you got? You got old tie rod ends, brand new lower ball joints. You know, there's no sense in doing that. So I went through Detroit Axle, and I bought a kit for $49. It comes with brand new tie rod ends, and it also comes with inner tie rod ends. So I gotta keep track of these because it's got good inner tie rod ends. I'm not gonna worry about those because the steering rack's brand new, so it's got brand new inner tie rods. So anyway, we're doing that right now. Just loosen those, brought those tie rod ends down. And over here. Really simple. A 16 or a 17. Right here. You might want to do it. If you're gonna go do an alignment, go ahead and buy your own tie rod ends, as cheap as you can get them, and then go ahead and disconnect them. It's real simple. These are 13/16s on that. You got a locking nut. There's an it. What you do with that? That's in my back pocket. 7/8. It's all going to depend on what you got. So 7/8, and I just broke it loose, just enough to break so your tie rod end will loosen. So you can take it right back up, and it'll be really close to whatever the toe alignment was on it. Like I said, when I got all this done, I looked at this thing, and the boot on this thing's rotted out. You can see it's ripped. So I said, after all that, I'm not gonna go do that. Alright, and these are also greasable. Which is cool. If you got a good brand, you're gonna get greasable tie rods. You're gonna get, even got a quarter key. Schedule this thing for today. I want it working on the wife's Jeep. Find out the caliper season up. All right. I gotta screw in this time. Okay. That's a tight one. Good. There you go. Castle nut. That's sweet. Okay. Now let's go and tighten it down just a little bit. Let's see. a square. A square on the side. Now you're flat here. Okay. Alright, you don't want to do too much. You want to actually hold on to the tie rod end the best you can. You don't have to have it super tight because it's going down to be aligned. They will tighten it when they do it. Alright, now I need my impact. It's gonna be 18, I think. Yeah. Okay, the new one's an 18. I thought it was an 18. Doesn't want to be an 18. Okay. That just came up. Gotta get a torque. You got a torque on that. Deep. And it's got to line up. You have to line it up with your garter key. Okay, so. Thanks. Got my torque wrench here. Alright. Hopefully I got a hole. I got the hole lined up. Yeah. Actually don't. What do I do? Okay, overshot it a little. Well, haven't really overshot it yet. Tighten it up until you get alignment on the nut hole. There you go. Beautiful. Now this will be permanent here. They're not going to mess with this. So you're going to make sure you do that correct. Alrighty. Okay, so that's that side. Let's go do the other. Do the other side the exact same way. Real simple. Alright, we're on the other side here. The same 7/8, and then this time it's going to go counterclockwise on here. And the boot's not ripped on this one, but I don't want to have to get back in here. I'd rather have two brand new ones, and I know they're going to deteriorate about the same freaking time. Unless, you know, you really can't predict that, because potholes and freaking potholes you hit on this side, maybe potholes on the other side. But if it's new, it's new. You know? There we go. Now we're going clockwise, tighten it up. Get that grease fitting in there. off of here. Baggy. Here is stuff. I like the Detroit axle actually. It's really good quality stuff. Okay. That's release tight, which is all right. Should be. Down as far as it go because yeah, if you will. Oh my God. All right. Alrighty. Yeah, if you can't afford a upright, see if you can afford a scissor lift. Need the ratchet. Yeah. Impact. Coming up. That's my start. I actually got a hole. Oh, that was easy. Hey! Sweet. Alright. Okay, here we go. Take my 7/8. Go. Eyes on that. Okay, I want my other one so I can hold this because I don't really want to stress out on the inner workings of that ball joint. But again, you really just need something to hold it. Alright, here we are. Install this to it. All joints torqued up. Next thing, get my tires on, torque them. We're all set. And that's all it takes. Your nut, castle nut. Now to get that off, you're just gonna go opposite direction. And then sometimes if you pound right here, it'll pop down. But a lot of times it's going to just let go on you, and you're going to have to work on it to get that nut off of there because that thing's going to spin. The ball's going to spin inside, so you're going to have to put some tension on it to keep it locked up in there. What I usually use is a set of welding channel locks that are spread. I'll show you that. All right, and those look like these. Go ahead and pound that ball joint shaft back up in there, and then go ahead and put a pair of these on it. Squeeze it tight, and that's going to keep it. It's going to keep it pushed up inside here, and that's going to give it a grip, and you should be able to back it out. So there we go. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Dana's Garage of the Project G.